Hello everyone, have a good day. In this video, I'm going to show you the process of making boiled maize in the village. My grandmother is helping me to collect the maize. She had made snatching maize and green beans curry before. If you are interested to watch, kindly click in the I button or link is in the description below. Give a big thumbs to her. Now my mother is helping to peel and cook it. Enjoy the process. First, she has taken an aluminium cooking pot and putting wood ash outside. And she's making fire on a fireplace. She's gonna cook it with the wood. Now she puts maize in the pot and add a clean and fresh water. After putting fresh water on it, she covers it with a plate and makes strong fire. In the strong fire, it cooks within 20 minutes, but it also depends on maize, how soft or hard it is. We have buffalo here, we milked from it. Oh, it's been almost 25 minutes, so it must be cooked now. Oh yeah, it's ready. Take it out on a plate and make some salt and green chili paste. And don't forget to add Sichuan pepper on it, it gives extra taste. Hope you enjoy this video. Please do like, share it with others and consider subscribing to my channel for more video. Thank you for watching.